Hi, today's video I'm gonna show you a glass bar effect. First, we will need a adjustment layer. Create a adjustment layer and drag the timeline. Press shift and 5 frame forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cut the adjustment layer extra part. Delete this adjustment layer. Then go to effect panel and search transform effect. Drag the transform effect on the adjustment layer and go to effect control panel. Go to motion option, unclick the uniform scale. Set the scale height on 150. Then set the scale height 30%. Change the rotation value 25%. Then go down to scroll. Set the scale on 130%. Now you wanna see the glass bar effect has created. Then go to the position, move few frames forward and change the position value. Move the keyframe at the end. Now if I play the video, you will see glass bar effect. Move the adjustment layer to middle and set the transaction effect. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, let me know.